You guys are not gonna believe Crayola made this. We're currently on a mission to review all the Crayola products. Make sure you stay up to date with everything we've looked at so far in our Crayola playlist. We've been finding some of the most obscure Crayola products, such as hot heels.
You know, believe it or not, I've never designed shoes before, honey.
Oh, really?
This is new to me.
Oh, I didn't realise.
And once again, Steph reckons she's found a Crayola product that I'm gonna get a kick out of. So, without further ado, oh my lord in heaven, it's a Crayola Drawbot. I'm not entirely sure what time frame this is from, but the packaging goes so hard. I love it.
I believe it's from the 1980s.
The Drawbot's text, oh, it looks amazing. Action stencil that transforms from a robot into an aeroplane and back again. Ooh, I'm sure I can hear something though. What is going on? You know, I can definitely hear something. There's something weird going on with this packaging. Oh, his foot's come off.
Hello, it's me, Drawbot. I come from the distant future of 1970. With a warning. I will not improve your art. I will not inspire you. I probably will not even work. Now, let's create.
Why is your foot come off?
Irrelevant.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell, it's his only purpose.
What is my purpose, Adamo?
To not suck.
Oh, no.
This bit came off, and I think what this is, right? Crayola would never do this now. It's so when you're not using it, you can display Drawbot.
Wow!
You're gorgeous, look!
Is he going into airplane mode?
Oh my god, airplane mode. Don't talk to him when he's in airplane mode. You won't be able to contact him. Now, I just want to point out real quick, again with the packaging, right? It doesn't actually say, and correct me if I'm wrong guys, here's the entire thing. It doesn't actually say what he does. It just says action stencil that transforms from a robot into an aeroplane, but it doesn't give you any examples of what to do.
That's one of the reasons I'm so excited to use this art supply, because I have no idea what we're going to make with this.
What is your purpose?
So let's find out what kind of art we can make.
What is your purpose? Okay, real talk. Do I have to use the stencil?
Yes.
That's his only purpose.
Normally a stencil's like a very clear shape. Like this isn't, he's got like can opener hands, missiles on his arms. He's got like little like snowshoes. I'm very confused. He's got a big grill smile.
You might as well trace around his whole body.
I don't want to do his whole body. I'll be honest with you, his whole body's kind of intimidating. Oh, Crayola, I can't get in his mouth. Oh my god, looks like an evil snowman. Don't you think he looks like a big like mecha snowman if you did like little dots there?
Well, I guess Christmas is coming up soon.
Give the joy of Drawbot this Christmas. Oh, the only example is this, and the kid's just drawn around him and coloured him in. Oh, I don't know about this no more. Drawbot, you're disappointing me.
You better use my stencil to its fullest potential. I did not spend the past 40 years in that packaging for you to open me, sass me, then discard me. Do you think I am the only Drawbot in this world? There are thousands of us ready to rise up and take back the art community. Let's create.
He has a neck when he transforms. I'll try and trace around the rest of him, I guess.
You want to draw the whole thing?
Well, what else are we gonna do with it?
He's so intricate and aggressive.
I know my pencil can't fit in like the little nooks and crannies that he has.
It's clear that they're trying to be like Transformers, right?
I imagine so. I've tried to stick it in all the holes that it fits.
Drawbot likes it when you stick it in all of his holes.
Okay, come on, Drawbot, let's hold his little hands.
Rise!
Here we go.
Oh god, it really does look like a snowman wearing armor. You really do have to use your imagination in the middle, don't you? There's not a lot going on.
You have to use your imagination for this entire art tool.
I have to admit, it works really well. Like, the mechanism to turn him into a plane is very smooth, and considering how old it is, the plastic's not brittle. I just don't know what the heck to do with it. Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos. Oh, he's got some love handles, which I can respect. But this, I'm reading this as like these are like armor, like pauldrons almost.
Oh, you know big words.
What, upholder? It's just like a shoulder protector. It's
A
like,
shoulder pad.
yeah, like a medieval shoulder pad to stop your arm being cut off. But I can't unsee the snowman. When I see his face, that's all I see. I'm just trying to like pick out, because I want to dress him up. I don't want Drawbot to be naked. It's like showing some chest. That's what all this is. Maybe he could be wearing like some dungarees or something instead. The shape that I got is like, maybe he has like toaster shoulders.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Like,
That's very futuristic.
like little pieces of toast to like pop out of his shoulders. And like his hands look like salad tongs.
Eat your veggies.
He's like a domestic robot, that's what he is.
He's ready to make a nice seasonal salad.
Yeah, he's great in the kitchen. I think you should erase his face and give him a cuter face. Because I think his face is scary.
You think that's what's letting him down?
Yeah, oh my god, that's so mean, isn't it? Imagine going up to poor Drawbot and like you're doing well, but your face is letting yourself down. Oh my god, you put the nose back in?
I thought you wanted him to be a snowman.
Oh my god, I wanted you to rescue it. That's what I wanted. Oh, see? That looks cuter already.
That's it.
I like how this is turning into basically our ideal robot of the future. Like you see all these companies around the world trying to make these robots that you'll be able to buy someday. Ours basically has toasters for shoulders. He's dressed nicely and he's angry.
But now I'm not sure what to do with the rest of this shape. That's the salad tongs. Because he's got some kind of a missile on here.
You know what they kind of look like? Rolling pins.
Drawbot's turned into like a chef bot.
Chef robot. That's amazing. Guys, how would you interpret the shape of this thing? Because I am clueless.
This seems more friendly, I guess.
Apart from his big angry monobrow.
You can put that spatula.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah, put the spatula in his pouch.
Whisks.
He needs some whisks. Let the inspiration flow, honey. Go for it. This is what Drawbot would want. All right, I want your live reaction to Drawbot. What do you think about him so far? Don't laugh at him, he'll get angry.
We're working on it. We're working on it. It's a work in progress.
You better not be editing my toaster shoulders.
Do you think I should get his wings out and he could use that as a surface for cooking?
Oh my god, one of them could be an ironing board. He could just be like domestic goddess. I do like his vibrant red as well. He's so festive.
We're getting really creative with the Drawbot
Yeah, we
now.
want to use like as many parts of it as possible, right? It's weird, isn't it? Like the amount of Crayola products that we've been reviewing recently, and we're getting the most fun out of a bit of plastic.
Don't say that to him, he can hear you. Oh, actually, he can't. He's in
airplane mode, he can't hear you.
Fun shoe.
It wasn't mean, it's just an observation. He's just a piece of plastic. But he's already brought more joy than any glitter dots ever could. Oh, that looks amazing. He's got like Buzz Lightyear wings.
The two look like Lightyear ones.
Look how cute this is looking so far. I love this. The face that you've done's really made it for me. I love his like miffed little face. What are you adding to his wings?
I feel like you could do with some like jetpacks.
Oh, I thought you were adding like a washing line.
Well, that could be cool.
I don't know why we've gravitated so much to the kitchen aesthetic, but I am actually quite living for it. Oh my god, look, he's gonna singe his little salad tongs.
That might be how he like brands up his creme brulee.
Creme brulee Drawbot, oh la la.
And we can put a Christmas pudding on the floor.
That's what he's torching. Did you guys know in this country, I don't know if you guys do it anywhere else in the world, but at Christmas time we get a Christmas pudding like this. And it's very common to light it on fire. Yeah. Oh, okay, he's already done. Oh my god! He's incinerated it! Look at the flames! Looks like a meteorite. You're floating around his head quite a bit.
Okay, I want to give him like an antennae. Because you know, like robots sometimes have those to like communicate.
Oh yeah, a little antenna.
And then like the top of a Christmas tree, I want it to have like a little star on top.
Oh, this is turning out really weirdly wholesome. I really like it so far.
Sacrally set a Christmas pudding ablaze, but yes. Okay, so over here I've drawn him a Christmas present.
Oh, that's sweet.
He hasn't unwrapped this one yet, but he did unwrap this one and he got a new mixing bowl and a mixing spoon.
Oh, he's angry because he didn't get the crock pot he asked for.
I've also put some little Christmas lights up on top of his wings.
His wings, oh my god.
And I've also started to put some Christmas cards on the wall, which you can decorate however you want to. I drew a robot on that one.
Now you're in for a treat because Steph kind of just ran with the inspiration and I didn't want to interrupt her. So I thought like, hey, I'll try and ink this for you.
It's very rare that we see Adam doing like the line art on this channel.
I know, right? Isn't it terrible?
2 hours later.
What do you mean 2 hours later? I'm trying to do my best because I think you've done a really good job of this. So I want to try and do a good job. What was the other thing you said? He had a whisk.
Whisk.
What does he need a whisk for? What would you do? Like take him in, like all of his features, all that stuff. What would you guys do with him? Getting a little bit of a creative liberty here, honey.
Oh?
I don't like his like robot shoes, so I'm gonna give him some UGG boots.
UGG boots!
Because I feel like they're very like Christmassy.
We'll keep his feet nice and warm.
Well, don't you guys at Christmas get your UGG boots out, right? Like, I associate, maybe I'm wrong, I associate, like, UGG boots for, like, Christmas and stuff.
Well, I wouldn't wear them to the beach.
Is that what Uggs are? And do they have, like, I'm gonna put the letter U on it. Well, they could be, like, magnets to help him keep them on.
Oh, that's cool. Like, he'd think magnets are really cool.
I really like this character, dear. I think you've done such a good job with it.
Thank you. It was a very difficult stencil to work with.
It's because of the stencil. Drawbot, I love you, but Drawbot, you as a stencil is terrible. I mean, most of you is solid plastic. I can't even get the pen through. But I have to admit, in recent Crayola products that we've reviewed, I've definitely had the most fun with Drawbot. I don't know about you, hun, but I've definitely had the most fun with him. It's just such a weird looking thing with like his phallic head and his phallic little arm attachments and stuff. It's very interesting. That's one inky boy. How about we put some colour on it though, hun?
Imagine that's going to be left up to me.
With some of these. Oh my god, have you coloured in the UGG boots in like actual authentic UGG colours?
I have indeed.
I am a big fan.
Tell by the giant magnet on these things that they're not fakes.
Yeah, that's the authentic UGG magnet. Like, I just wanted to mention as well, like, yeah, we're using Copics, but this like A3 art pad that we've dug out is literally like 20 years old from like Steph's teenager years, and it's still going down so well.
Yeah, I remember when I first started college, they told us that we had to go out and get an A3 and an A2 sketch pad of paper. And I was like,
A2?
yeah, the huge ones. And then I literally never touched them. And this one's just like followed around and moved with me ever since.
I was going to say, because A3, I mean, you guys can see this is giant. A3 is very scary for Steph.
I only ever draw on like tiny little like A5
Yeah,
kind
I
of
mean,
things.
Steph's like favourite size, like with paper, sketchbooks and the like, tends to be like A5, little like pocket ones that you can carry around. I quite like A4 ones. I don't mind using A3.
Oh, A4's huge to me.
No! Do you guys have like a favourite size of sketchbook or paper or, I don't know, canvases even? Do you have like a favourite size? Oh, I love his little antenna was such a cute idea. I actually love what we've created, hun. He's such a festive friend.
This is like the largest art piece I have ever created.
I
in
know,
my
it's
entire life.
huge! I can barely fit it in the camera. If you want to see more Crayola videos, guys, make sure to check out the playlist on screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so we can see you for another Doodle Deck.
Doodle dead.